Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to embark on an enlightening journey through the captivating universe of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, Unveiling the World of Cryptocurrencies, your ultimate guide, we're set to demystify the intricate realm of digital assets, from their origins to their future potential. So, without further delay, let's jump right in. To lay a solid foundation, let's begin by unraveling the enigma behind the term. Cryptocurrencies are virtual or digital currencies that utilize cryptography for secure and confidential transactions. Unlike traditional currencies governments regulate, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks known as blockchains. The concept of a decentralized currency first emerged with the advent of Bitcoin in 2009. Since then, a myriad of cryptocurrencies have followed suit, each carrying its distinct features and purposes. Now, let's delve into the mechanics that power cryptocurrencies. At the heart of these digital assets lies the blockchain, a distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. The blockchain ensures transparency, security, and permanence. Cryptocurrencies are generated through processes like mining or validation. Miners with powerful computers solve intricate mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process secures the network and introduces new units of cryptocurrency into circulation. The landscape of cryptocurrencies is diverse and vibrant, with each coin offering unique attributes. Of course, we can only delve into cryptocurrencies by mentioning the pioneer Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, introduced the concept of smart contracts, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, dApps. Other noteworthy cryptocurrencies include Ripple, which focuses on facilitating cross-border payments, and Litecoin, renowned for its swift transaction confirmation times. These are merely a few instances of the extensive range of cryptocurrencies available. It's crucial to weigh both the advantages and potential drawbacks of cryptocurrencies. On the positive side, cryptocurrencies facilitate borderless transactions, promote financial inclusivity, and offer the potential for significant returns on investment. However, their volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and vulnerability to security breaches are important considerations. Diversification and thorough research are imperative for anyone contemplating cryptocurrency investment, given the dynamic nature of this market. Beyond cryptocurrencies, the underlying blockchain technology holds transformative potential across various sectors. Its decentralized and tamper-resistant nature lends itself to applications in supply chain management, securing healthcare data, and even reimagining voting systems. The transparency and security offered by blockchains could revolutionize how we interact with data and systems based on trust. To actively engage with cryptocurrencies, you'll need a digital wallet. Wallets come in diverse forms: hardware, software, and mobile, and provide a secure space to store, send, and receive your digital assets. Implementing robust security measures is paramount to safeguard your investments against potential threats. We'll delve into strategies to maintain the security of your wallet and investments throughout your crypto journey. The allure of potential profits entices many to explore cryptocurrency investment and trading. Investing involves acquiring and holding digital assets for the long haul, while trading entails buying and selling based on short-term price fluctuations. Understanding market trends, conducting thorough research, and exercising caution are vital in navigating this highly volatile market. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies across the globe. Some nations embrace and regulate cryptocurrencies, while others approach them cautiously or skeptically. These regulations significantly impact market dynamics and investor sentiment. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to reshape finance, but technological advancements, regulatory choices, and societal acceptance will influence their trajectory. The cryptocurrency community is a dynamic and collaborative space. Enthusiasts, developers, and innovators discuss projects, share insights, and foster growth. Online forums, social media platforms, and conferences provide opportunities to connect and learn from fellow enthusiasts. Engaging with this community can amplify your understanding and open doors to exciting prospects within the crypto space. As we draw our comprehensive journey through the realm of cryptocurrencies to a close, remember that this field is constantly evolving. With a solid grasp of fundamental concepts, benefits, risks, and future potentials, you're well prepared to navigate this exhilarating domain. If you found this video enlightening, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more profound explorations of captivating subjects. Thank you for being part of this journey today, and until next time, keep unraveling the future of finance. But wait, there's more. As a special treat for our dedicated viewers, we have an exciting bonus waiting around the corner. Get ready to discover a cutting-edge cryptocurrency platform that's been making waves in the industry, Coinbase. With its user-friendly interface, diverse cryptocurrency offerings, and top-notch security measures, Coinbase is the ideal platform for beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or manage your digital assets, Coinbase has you covered every step. Plus, using our affiliate link in the description below, you can access exclusive benefits and support our channel's efforts in bringing you the latest insights. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Dive into the world of cryptocurrencies with Coinbase today. Thank you once again for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep embracing the future with an open mind. Please remember that this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and seek professional guidance before making investment decisions. Your financial well-being is paramount,